Hey everybody, welcome back to Stronger Yoga Academy. I'm Scott Anderson with my dear friend Monica, and today we're going to teach you how to make a stronger Camatkarasana pose. All right, so I'm going to have Monica step into crouching cat. And again, I want to just say, if you're like, what is crouching cat? It's a better form of down dog, and there's a video. There's the card right for it if you want to go back and review that. So it's essentially downward facing dog with the knees bent, with the goal being energetically of trying to tear your mat in half. But she's pressing her heart back towards her feet. Now the first thing she's going to do to start to turn this into sort of a side plank and then flip is she's going to step her feet together. So that's step one. And then what she's going to do is lift her left leg. Her left leg goes up, and then her right heel is going to come down to the floor. We want to be flat on the edge of one foot. We're going to be more stable there. Now, as she starts to turn the hips open and reaches her foot for the floor behind her, she's going to stay on this hand as long as she can. That's going to teach us to get really good rotation through the trunk from a power position, right? So now she's starting to flip. She can go into a skull hold, which is the thumb over the ear. She could also go arms straight. I'm going to have her reach for the mirror there. Now look how beautiful this pose is, and maybe that's the Camatkarasana that you've typically seen. But we also have the opportunity to turn this foot out, bend this knee, and then start to step and work the feet closer together so that she can pull her groin down to the floor. Because what this is going to give her is more opportunity to turn the chest and work into her deltoid, the chest, and the shoulder by turning the chest even more. To come out safely, lower your butt to or just closer to the floor and then flip back over. But we don't want to be really pelvic high when we flip back over, okay? So please keep that in mind, and that's how you make a stronger Camatkarasana. Thanks so much for watching these videos. Please leave us a comment and let us know how we can help you make your yoga poses and your yoga practice stronger. Thanks for watching. Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video on our instructional series. If you enjoyed it, please leave us a like. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always up to speed on when our new content comes out. We're really passionate about helping yoga practitioners and yoga teachers get stronger in their teaching and in their practice. We've got more great videos on YouTube and lots of great content on our website. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.